Hello, this video is going to show you how to access Blackboard Learn and navigate to the 2 training courses required for faculty. First, you'll go to www.concordia.edu. Using the Quick Links menu at the top right, choose Blackboard Learn. From there, click on the Blackboard Learn icon in order to go to the login page. You'll use the same username and password as you used for your email address. And notice that your username is your entire email address. Once you log into Blackboard, go to the top right corner. You're looking for the Organizations tab. Click on Organizations. This second link here, Blackboard Learn Tools Training, this is the first class you need to take in the online training program. It is tools training, which means the technical training for Blackboard Learn. The second course you want is Online Pedagogy. This is the Online Instructional Best Practices course. And to choose either one of the classes, you choose the link and click, and it will take you into the class in order to get started and complete the training. Now, at any time, if you run into problems, please call our personal support center at 512-313-HELP. Thank you for watching.